Yeah, it's middle of the afternoon. It's apparently low tide, though it's got quite a way to go still to be low. It's about another hour and a half off. But yeah, some dropping to do. But I'm here to check out where I'm going to be fishing. And where I'm going to be fishing is out past where that wooden structure is, a bit further past there. I'll be there tonight, where those breakers are catching the bottom, because that's where there's a gully, and that's where the fish are going to be. So, let's see what it looks like at night. Good evening. So we're on the big beach at South Shields, and just cast in. I'm fishing with my friend Rik. Say hi, Rik.
Hello.
So there you go, that's Rik. He's the better looking one of the two of us.
Only because it's dark.
Yeah, we've both got crab baits out and fishing halfway between the pier and the groin on the little beach at South Shields. We'll see how it goes. So the near side rod is fishing a carp wing, a piece of squid. Far rod, it's got a small hook, 2 hook flapper, one with carp wing and one with black lug. We've completely lost all of one carp wing that was on the near one. Don't know if that was crabs or lobster, probably. Took that completely. Let's see what comes next. Right, first bud to Rik, the smallest coley in the water.
The Guinness Book record speed on the phone.
It's a fish, and he's beating me 1-0. Cheers, Rik. Oh no, as soon as Rik cast back in, but he's getting bites again. He's obviously using magic powders or something. Can't possibly be legitimately catching more than me. He's snagged. Just reel it fast. You don't want to be lowering it or pumping it, just get the thing in, keep it high and pump and pedal. Yeah, it's just here. There we go. Nothing on, phew. Just a little view, since I'm not getting any fish and Rik is. Thought I'd just, do a photo. Just moved back a bit. Rik's now had a fish and a crab. I've still had nothing. I meant to be showing him what to do. I've failed. Well, I've just had a knock on my rod. Obviously, Rik's not happy because he's winning.
So Mr. Dean's just got a couple of knocks and then a definite take. So pulling in to see. Oh, he's got one. Wait, aye, look at that. That'll do. Beautiful. The sensei comes good.
Ah, relieved. That's a whiting.
That's nice.
Just nice. Pleased with that.
That's a lovely fish.
Hey.
So what was that on? The squid?
So we're getting towards the end. Rik's getting a few bites on his again. I'll have to cut all his bait off when he's not watching. And I've had a whiting. which hopefully you're going to see when Rik sends the video through. But I suspect he may not send it just to actually ruin my video, so he looks like the so he looks like the only person who's caught one. So yeah, it's been a quiet night but productive. We've both caught, no blanks. Give it an next few minutes and we'll see if we get anything before we go. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If not, please stay quiet, we don't want to know about it. Bye.
Phil's just had another few nibbles, definite nibbles. Bells but no whistles.
No whistles, just bells.